Why do I get stomach pain after eating? Ever feel stomach pain right after eating? Common causes include overeating. Your stomach stretches beyond normal. Acid reflux, when stomach acid backs up into your esophagus. Food intolerances, like lactose or gluten sensitivity. Gallstones or ulcers. These need medical attention. Warning sign. If your pain is sharp, comes with vomiting, or lasts for hours, don't ignore it. Get it checked. Listen to your gut literally. Pain after eating is your body sending a message. Follow Ask Me Doc for more quick health tips.